Bicycle?
These are just some random videos of me, Hunter, and Kyle riding.
Going over the double.
And hope you enjoy. Peace.
Oh, rolling down the side of the double. Picking up the speed. Fixes the bars. Riding towards me. Up, skips that double. Goes up on the on and off. Goes over the on. Goes through the berm. Oh, around the berm. Holy. Comes flying up and he can't make it up the landing. On a dirt bike, this does not seem this big. Does it seem this big on a dirt bike? It seems so much smaller. How do you feel?
Fun, great. It's had a great race. Michelin won. Got first place. Took the dub. It was pretty heated, but I just had to keep my lines and ride steady, and yeah, take the dub.
It crashes. Oh, victory! Oh, he's going on the uphill. He's gonna rail the corner. I can't even tell. He's gonna leave. Kyle! Don't leave me, Cracker! Hunter! Gunther! Gunther doesn't like listening. Oh, Kyle, the victorious bicycle rider. Ripping it, bud. Up on the on and off.
Big whip.
Oh, almost eats it. Oh, I didn't get that because I was zoomed in too much. Good. Fixing his front tire. Woo! That sexy beast walking up. That's a... And he rides off into the distance.
Hey, big whip.
And fat whip. Oh! Rail that corner. Oh, didn't even go through the corner. Screws the corner. Clouds are moving so fast. Cracker. Hope he's still there.
The big berm.
With the boot on too. Rips the corner. Shredding. Oh! Shreds the corner. On. And off. And he goes into the tree. Let me chase this guy down. Let me get his. How do you feel today, sir?
Really good. I had a good race. I raced the adrenaline straight and the turns.
did we do today, Kyle?
Oh, we rode dirt bikes.
How'd we do?
Well, we did amazing. We set fat whips, dig some fat ruts.
Yeah, let's go show them the ruts. Sick ruts. Sick ruts. Fat ruts. Fat ruts.
Here sometimes.
Fat rut. Oh my god. Fat rut. Fat rut. Fat rut. Fat rut.
I'm trying to stand up.
Fat rut. Fat rut. Even fatter rut.
Goddamn rough.